Hey everyone, welcome back to Glitch Guru. So, you've tagged someone in your Instagram post, but you want it to appear on their profile grid as well. Then this video is for you. Here's what you need to do. Open the Instagram app. Navigate to the post creation screen. Tap the big plus sign at the bottom center of your screen. Select the photo or video you want to share. Now, here comes the key part. Once you've got your post, you'll see a section that says Tag People. This is where the magic happens. Tap on Tag People and click on Invite Collaborators. Start typing their username in the search bar that pops up. Once you find their account, tap on their username to tag them. Once you've tagged them as a collaborator, your friend will receive a notification asking them to approve the tag. Wait for your collaborator to approve the post. Once they do, you'll see a confirmation message. Now you're good to go. If you found this video helpful,